political anthropology and political science. Similarities and differences. So similarity, subject matter, both studies political aspect of humans, both studies the political aspect of humans. Then scholars, both borrows the ideas of Marx, Max Weber, then even the ideas of Victor Turner, Frederick Barth, even James Scott. James Scott was not an anthropologist. James Scott was a political scientist from America. इनकी डेथ लास्ट ईयर हुई है. और इसके ऊपर द हिंदू ने बहुत अच्छा एक आर्टिकल भी कवर किया था जेम्स स्कॉट पे, वेपन्स ऑफ वीक पे. ठीक है. देन मेथड्स ऑफ स्टडी. सो दोनों एक दूसरे के मेथड्स बोरो करते हैं, राइट? दे बोरो ईच अदर्स मेथड्स. Differences. Political anthropology and political science. So first is scope. Political anthropology has universal scope. Political science primarily deals with the modern society. Right? Second, subject matter. So the subject matter is holistic. Its subject matter is atomistic, because it just study the political aspect. It study the political aspect with other aspects of the society. Third is methods. So methods here, fieldwork is the main method. It rely primarily on the surveys, censuses. That means secondary data is the main source, primary data is the main source here. Approach. Anthropology is descriptive. Political scientists would say ye karo. It's prescriptive. Right? Conclusion would be with blood genre of Clifford Geertz. ठीक है कि interdisciplinary boundaries are disappearing.